Welcome to day 25 of Daily AI Wizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ready to steer the future with AI in autonomous vehicles? Today we're diving into AI's driving magic, transforming roads and safety. This 35-minute journey will blow your mind. You won't want to miss a single second. Let's master vehicle AI. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to explore AI in autonomous vehicles. It's about self-driving cars, and it's mind-blowing. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock road secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. AI in vehicles powers navigation and safety, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo detecting obstacles. It's going to be futuristic. Stick with us for this magic.
Ethan here. AI in autonomous vehicles is a game changer, and I'm stoked to code an obstacle detection demo with Sophia. Let's make driving magic. This will inspire you. Get ready for AI's road power.
I'm Olivia, and I'm utterly fascinated by AI in autonomous vehicles. I'll explain how it works on slide 4, and I'm thrilled to join you. This tech is driving the future. Let's make road magic.
Today, we're diving into AI in autonomous vehicles, and I'm so thrilled. We'll explore AI's role in navigation and obstacle detection, tackle ethical challenges, and build a Python demo detecting obstacles. This journey will ignite your passion for self-driving tech. Let's master driving magic. Get ready for AI's road power. Isabella, why is vehicle AI exciting?
It's futuristic, Anastasia. AI driving cars is thrilling, and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these techniques. This will redefine roads. Let's unlock its potential.
Hi, wizards. I'm Olivia, and I'm totally fascinated by AI in autonomous vehicles. It powers self-driving tech using sensors and machine learning, enabling navigation and safety to transform transportation. This is mind-blowing road magic. From LiDAR to neural nets, it's a tech marvel. I'm thrilled to break it down. Let's uncover its driving secrets. This is the future of travel. Get ready to cruise with AI.
Why use AI in autonomous vehicles? It enhances road safety, reduces human errors, optimizes traffic flow, and enables accessible transport. It's revolutionizing travel. This is vital AI magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see its impact. AI drives safer roads. Isabella, why road safety?
It saves lives, Anastasia. AI prevents crashes, and I love its impact. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is travel with care.
AI in navigation is game-changing. It plans optimal routes using GPS and map data like real-time routing, improving travel efficiency. It's a driving superpower. I'm excited to break it down. This is efficient AI in action. Let's navigate with precision. Isabella, why navigation AI?
It's smart, Anastasia. AI finds the best routes fast, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like a road guide. This saves time.
AI in obstacle detection saves lives. It identifies road hazards using cameras and LiDAR, like pedestrian detection, enhancing safety. This is vigilant driving magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's detect obstacles. This protects roads. Isabella, why obstacle detection?
It's critical, Anastasia. AI spotting hazards is amazing, and I'm excited. It's like a safety shield. This ensures safe travel.
AI in traffic management is smart. It optimizes flow, predicts congestion, like smart traffic signals, reducing delays. This is efficient road magic. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's manage traffic. This smooths travel. Isabella, why traffic management?
It's smooth, Anastasia. AI clears roads fast, and I'm thrilled. It's like a traffic wizard. This saves hours.
AI in vehicle control is precise. It manages steering and braking with real-time models like adaptive cruise control, ensuring accurate driving. This is technical AI magic. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's control vehicles. This drives perfectly. Isabella, why vehicle control?
It's accurate, Anastasia. AI drives flawlessly, and I'm excited. It's like a driving pro. This ensures precision.
AI in fleet management is efficient. It optimizes vehicle operations, predicts maintenance, like delivery logistics, enhancing efficiency. This is logistical AI magic. I'm so excited to explain. Let's manage fleets. This streamlines transport. Isabella, why fleet management?
It's organized, Anastasia. AI keeps fleets running smoothly, and I'm thrilled. It's like a logistics guru. This saves costs.
AI in safety systems transforms roads. It enhances collision avoidance with real-time AI, like emergency braking, saving lives. This is protective driving magic. I'm excited to explore it. Let's boost safety. This prevents crashes. Isabella, why safety systems?
They're lifesavers, Anastasia. AI stops accidents, and I'm thrilled. It's like a road guardian. This ensures safe travel.
AI in autonomous fleets is futuristic. It manages self-driving fleets, optimizes delivery routes like robo-taxis, enhancing efficiency. This is logistical AI magic. I'm thrilled to share it. Let's manage fleets. This revolutionizes transport. Isabella, why autonomous fleets?
They're cool, Anastasia. AI-powered taxis are amazing, and I am excited. It's like a future ride. This transforms cities.
AI vehicle applications are real. Self-driving shuttles, autonomous delivery vehicles, and AI-enhanced driver assists transform roads. These are futuristic solutions. I'm so inspired by this. Let's explore real AI. This reshapes travel. Isabella, which application stands out?
Self-driving shuttles, Anastasia. AI buses are incredible, and I'm thrilled. It's like a future commute. This is so impactful.
Vehicle AI faces challenges. Sensor reliability, high costs, regulatory complexities, and public trust are obstacles. We'll tackle these for better AI roads. I'm thrilled to solve them. Let's overcome these hurdles. This advances driving. Isabella, why sensor issues?
They're tricky, Anastasia. Faulty sensors slow AI, but I'm excited for solutions. It's like fixing eyes. This boosts AI safety.